CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
What if I told you that the blue and yellow can in your garage is the secret to never buying a car battery again? There's a detail almost everyone seems to miss when it comes to battery maintenance, and quite frankly, most people won't tell you the truth. I'm an expert technician, and today we're looking at whether WD-40 can actually renew a dead battery and save you thousands. Step 1. Open the hood and find your battery. It's usually a rectangular box near the front, but some cars hide it under plastic. Look for white, green, or blue powder on the terminals. That's corrosion, and it's the primary enemy of a solid electrical connection. Step 2. Spray a small amount of WD-40 on those terminals. Let it sit. This loosens the crust and displaces moisture before you even touch a wrench. Step 3. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive. This sequence is critical to prevent accidental short circuits or sparks. Lift the battery out steadily. Remember, these are heavy and contain acid. Keep it away from pets and children on a stable surface. Step 4. Confirm if it's truly dead. We use 3 methods: a bulb tester, a voltmeter, and a quick spark check. Reading 0.0 volts, it's fully discharged. Step 5. Use a screwdriver to pry open the cell covers. Be gentle. You're exposing the internal lead plates and the electrolyte solution. Step 6. We drain the electrolyte. This is a mix of sulfuric acid and water. It's extremely dangerous and corrosive. Use extra caution. Tip the battery slowly. That dark, flaky sediment at the bottom is why your battery lost its punch. We're clearing out the waste. Step 7. Clean the plates internally. Add baking soda and vinegar. The fizzing reaction breaks down the stubborn buildup on the lead plates. Step 8. Use a small pressure pump to blow air into each cell. This agitates the solution and pushes out the loosened sediment. Step 9. Drain that dirty solution. The darker the liquid, the better the cleaning is working. This is the stuff mechanics rarely talk about. Step 10. Flush with distilled water. Never use tap water. The minerals will kill the battery. Repeat until the water comes out clear. Step 11. Refill with the filtered electrolyte or fresh acid. Ensure the plates are fully covered. This is what brings the chemistry back to life. Step 12. The charge. Use a smart charger. A slow trickle charge, under 2 amps, is best for longevity, though it takes 24 hours. Attach the positive clip first, then the negative. Plug the charger into the wall last to avoid sparks near the newly filled battery cells. Step 13. Disconnect properly. Wall plug first, then negative, then positive. Wipe off any moisture or residue before moving on. Step 14. Seal the cover. Use a safe adhesive, but avoid superglue. You want it airtight to keep debris out and electrolyte in. Step 15. Clean the terminals with steel wool, not sandpaper. It cleans without deep scratches, ensuring a rock-solid electrical connection. Step 16. Clear the vent caps. These let the battery breathe. If they're clogged, pressure buildup can damage the internal structure. Step 17. The moment of truth. A restored battery should read between 12.4 and 12.7 volts. If the bulb glows bright, you're in business. Final step. Reinstall. Secure the clamp gently. Always attach the positive cable first, then negative. This protects your vehicle's sensitive electronics. If she starts smooth, your restoration was a success. But wait, there is a level of hidden power most drivers never see. Click the link below to discover the battery secrets mechanics keep to themselves. Now, let's talk about where WD-40 is actually dangerous. I've used WD-40 for 50 years, but don't you dare spray it on your squeaking serpentine belts. Belts are made to run dry. Spray it there, and the squeak stops for a minute. But you lose the friction needed to drive the engine. It's a temporary fix that causes failure. Don't use it as tire polish either. It migrates to the tread, and you'll lose grip on the road. A friend of mine learned that the hard way on a bike. And don't polish your car paint with it. Sleazy sellers do this to hide faded paint. It looks great for a week, then it's worse than before. WD-40 has 2 real jobs: dispersing water and loosening rust. If you hose off your engine, spray this on the electronics to save your day. It's a miracle for rusty bolts. Soak them overnight, and they'll turn like they were new. It prevents salt corrosion for those of you in the north. I use it on locks and ignitions too. Locksmiths told me decades ago. Graphite builds up and blocks the lock, but WD-40 stays clean. For moving parts like door hinges, use regular WD-40 to clear the rust, then follow up with a pure silicone lubricant for long-term protection. I keep a tiny can in every trunk. If you hit a massive puddle and the car stalls because the electronics got wet, this is your ticket home. So, does WD-40 renew the battery? It protects the terminals and clears the caps, but the real work is the deep cleaning we showed you. In a world where everything is disposable, taking the time to restore what you have isn't just about saving money. It's about being the expert of your own machine. Mechanics don't tell you these tricks because they'd rather sell you a new unit. But now, you know what's going on behind the scenes. Remember, gloves, eye protection, and no sparks.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Handling acid is no joke. If you follow the steps, you can save thousands over your lifetime. Use the right tool for the right job. Regular for rust and water, silicone for long-term lube. Don't mix them up, and your car will thank you. Check your battery every few months. A quick wipe and a light coat of WD-40 on the terminals will stop corrosion before it even starts. I'm always eager to hear your ideas for future projects. Have you tried this battery hack? Leave a comment down below and tell me your results. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that button now. Your support helps us keep bringing you these deep dive investigative guides. Ring that bell so you never miss a car repair secret. We've got a lot more insider tips coming your way soon. Rev up those engines, stay safe on the road, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye for now. Thanks for watching our investigative deep dive. Keep learning, keep fixing, and keep saving. CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.